Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we have a beautiful 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. The exterior color is a shadow black. Under the hood, we have a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have our tow hooks as well as our color-matched bumper with fog lights, as well as the LED headlights and the daytime running lights with the black grille insert. Over to the side, we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Hankook tread. We have the OEM Ford running boards, as well as the black mirror caps and the black door handles. At the rear of the F-150, we have a power slide defrosting rear windshield, as well as LED lighting inside the box with a backup camera on the top of the tailgate and with parking sensors paired with it at the lower bumper. As well as we have our trailer system with our 4 and 7 pin connection and our lock for the spare wheel at the bottom of the F-150. At the interior, we have many great driver features, including power windows, power adjustable and foldable mirrors, unlock and unlock with 3 modes of memory seating for the driver. The driver will also enjoy a fully automatic seat with lumbar support, as well as the passenger. Over here at the steering wheel, we have our automatic headlight dial with our pull-on parking brake and our adjustable pedal switch. On the steering wheel, we have our trackpad for our informational center, as well as the trackpad for our entertainment center. Here at the center console area, we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display. Below of that, we have our dual climate control with both heating and air conditioning seats for passenger and driver. Here we have our console shift with a select shift 10-speed manual mode. And here we have our center console for both storage and comfort. As we look up, we have our automatic dimming a mirror, our dome lights, as well as our dual panel moonroof. At the back of the F-150, passengers will be able to enjoy door storage, automatic windows, with more storage in the back of the passenger and the driver's seat, as well as accessibility to heated seating and a 12-volt connection with our dual smart USB ports, as well as an AC outlet, and tons of head and also leg room. If you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. We thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.